Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, staffing. This is the third function of management. Today we will only do introduction, need and importance of staffing. See, it is very important to have a good organization structure, but it is even more important to fill this structure with the right people. An organization can make optimum use of physical and financial resources only through competent human resource. So staffing is the function which helps in filling the correct person at the correct job. Dear students, the foundation of any organization is the talented and hardworking people who are the principal assets of any firm. As I told you earlier also, good employees are the assets of the organization. So adequate staffing or the provision for appropriate human resource is an essential requirement for any organization's success. So what is actually staffing? Staffing means putting people to job, means putting people on the right job. It begins with human resource planning and includes different other functions like recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion and performance appraisal of workforce. This all we will discuss in this chapter. Staffing is concerned with obtaining, utilizing and maintaining a satisfactory and satisfied workforce. Meaning of staffing. Staffing function all managers have to perform, as all managers directly deal with people. Staffing refers to this kind of role played by all managers in small organizations. As organizations grow and number of people employed increase, a separate department called the Human Resource Department is formed. About Human Resource Department we will do in detail in the next lecture. So which consists of specialized who are expert in dealing with people. So this Human Resource Department is the department who is expert in dealing with the people. So in bigger organization we need this separate department. So in fact, earlier definition of staffing focused narrowly on only hiring people for vacant position, but staffing is not only concerned with filling the vacant positions, but staffing is a part of human resource management which encompasses not only staffing but also a number of other specialized services like job evaluation, management of labor relations and satisfying our workforce. This all points we will be discussing when we will be doing human resource department's functions in the next lesson. Need and importance of staffing means why we do perform this function staffing. Number one is obtaining competent personnel. When we are staffing, we are making sure that we are giving the work to a person who is competent of doing that particular job. Means the right person should get the right job. If there is a computer expert, he should get the work according to his qualification and experience. So proper staffing help in discovering and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. Number two, high performance. Proper staffing ensures, because I am appointed for the work which I know, means I am on the right job. It means that I am good in doing that work. In this way my performance will increase. So proper staffing ensures higher performance by putting right person on the right job. Number three, continuous growth. Proper staffing ensures continuous survival and growth of the enterprise. So it will help in the increase in the profits as well. Number four, optimum utilization of human resource, because we have appointed the right people. Means for example, if I need 5 people, I have appointed 5 people. We have not appointed 10-12 people. So in this way I can utilize the people in the optimum way. So it prevents underutilization of personnel and high labor cost. If I have appointed more people, then cost also will increase. But staffing function helps in proper utilization of human resource. Number 5 is improves job satisfaction. It improves job satisfaction and morale of the employees, because employees are happy and satisfied because whatever work they know, they are appointed for that work only. For example, your teacher told you to go and sit in non-medical class and study chemistry, so and give chemistry paper. So what will happen to you? You will feel dissatisfied because you don't know anything about chemistry. So in this way, if a person is appointed for the wrong job, the person will feel morale of the employees will decrease and he will not be satisfied with the job. And staffing makes sure that the employees are satisfied and they are on the right job. This is all for today. Next topic we will be doing in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care.